Hi, it's Adam here from KATANA Power Tools with the KATANA Cordless Jigsaw. The jigsaw is a very handy tool for making fine, curved and precision cuts. It's definitely time to throw away that manual coping saw. There's an easy solution that's quick, accurate and versatile. The jigsaw takes both the 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour batteries and to charge your range. Now you're going to generate a lot of dust with this tool, which makes the variable blower vacuum function perfect. Maintaining a clean cutting line is simple with the blower function, keeping dust clear of your cut. But if you'd rather keep a tidy workspace, you can fit the hose to the extractor port at the rear of the tool. Now the handle is very comfortable and the inclusion of a safety trigger makes operating the jigsaw a breeze. Now, down to the pointy end of things. The most important part of the jigsaw is the blade. If you have the wrong blade for the job, you could cause damage to the tool, you could also ruin your cut, and it could be a very frustrating experience. There is a large number of blades on the market that specialise in cutting everything from metal, laminated board, plastics and even ceramic tiles. The KATANA Jigsaw uses the interchangeable T-shank blade, which is the most popular and widely used blade type. Most blades cut on the upstroke, therefore causing tear out. More aggressive blades will cause a lot more tear out. Now when purchasing blades, look for the teeth per inch. More teeth equals finer cut and less tear out. Less teeth per inch equals a faster cut, but more tear out and more chipping. The blade is fitted to the machine by sliding back the locking lever and inserting the blade teeth out. Removing a blade works exactly the same way. This jigsaw also has 3 different pendulum settings. The 0 setting makes the blade travel straight up and down. Perfect setting for plastics and metals or very thin plyboard. Setting number 2 and 3 make the blade travel in a pendulum action, perfect for thicker timber and boards. These settings provide a more aggressive and more efficient cut. The base angle of the jigsaw can also be adjusted for cutting angles of 0, 15, 30 and 45 degrees. This is achieved by using a hex key under the base and tightening when the right angle is set. The tool also has a convenient LED light for working in confined spaces such as under kitchen benchtops. Now let's have a look at how the jigsaw works. Before we start, it's really important that we use eye goggles and ear protection. Make sure you secure your workpiece before commencing any work. There's a number of ways you can start a cut. You can have the tool resting up against the edge of your workpiece, or you can drill a hole. It's really important that you don't push too hard and you let the blade cut. If the blade is dull, it will burn. It will also cause damage to the guide wheel and your workpiece. Hold the tool firmly. Ensure that the base plate is against your work surface and expect vibration. Plan the cut and where the debris will fall. Don't start the tool by cutting, ease into the cut. If you've got a long straight cut to make, I'd probably go for the circular saw to complete the bulk of it, but then finish it off with a jigsaw, especially when cutting internal corner cuts. Hot tip for you, if you're cutting surfaces that are easily scratched, you might want to apply some tape to the underneath of the base plate. This will prevent any marking to your work surface. Now there you have it, the cordless jigsaw, the perfect addition to your KATANA kit.